In today's video, I am going to teach you how to attach a file in Aweber. To begin, log into your Aweber account and head to your main dashboard. This is the starting point where you can access your messages and account tools. Once you are on the dashboard, look over to the right side settings panel and find the Message tab. Click Message to open the area where you manage emails and message content. Next, choose Messages, then go to Drafts. Drafts is where unfinished or saved messages are stored, which makes it the right place to attach a file before you send anything out. In your list of draft messages, find the specific draft you want to update. Select that draft message and click Edit. This will open the message editor so you can adjust settings and add content. Now focus on the right side of the editor. Click Settings. In this area, you should see an option that allows you to drag and drop files. This is the section used for adding an attachment to your message. If you already have the file ready on your computer, you can drag it directly into that drag and drop area. If you prefer to select it manually, click Add or Browse Files. Either option will open a file picker so you can locate your document. Choose the PDF you want to attach. Make sure your file meets the size requirement, which is under 1 MB. If your PDF is larger than that, reduce the file size before continuing by compressing the PDF or removing unnecessary pages or images. After you select the PDF, give it a moment to upload and register in the settings area. When everything looks correct, click Save and Exit. Wait about a minute so Aweber has time to apply the change, then you can move forward and publish your message when you are ready, and that covers everything you need to know.